Welcome to What Car Should You Buy, where we give real people real advice about buying cars. Tor had a BMW i3 that he was really fond of, but the car was unfortunately totaled in a car accident. He liked the quirkiness of the BMW EV, but didn't really care for the difficult service. He wants something to replace it, and he wants it to be unique. With a budget of $30,000, what car should he buy? Tor, my friend, we salute your car and all that it's given up to keep you safe. But you know what? It's time to move on and go to bigger and better things. I give you the Hyundai Veloster N. It checks every single box you're looking for. You shouldn't have any issue finding one for under $30,000. It's a great daily, it's funky, fuel consumption won't be an issue. It's got seating for 4, provided one person doesn't really mind climbing over a little bit because it's a weird 3-door thing, but that's neat anyway. It'll be good for you, don't worry. And most importantly, it's not a Nissan Leaf. With over 270 horsepower on tap, all routed through a 6-speed manual transmission to the front wheels, you're never gonna run out of fun. It's super lively in the corners, and it's gonna be fast in a straight line. You can run away from all your demons. Do the right thing.